Click on the subscribe button and press the bell.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel free hacking tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to add clickable links to a PDF document in Windows, Linux or Mac OS. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, go to any web browser and go to google.com and type here LibreOffice and press enter. Now click on the first website link to download the software from the official website. Now click on the download and click download LibreOffice. So this software is a free and open source software. So and also this software is available for different platforms. So click here to download the software for your respective operating system. Then install it into your system. So after you have downloaded and installed it into your respective operating system, then open or run the LibreOffice. And now open your PDF document using LibreOffice software by clicking on open file and select your PDF file. Now to add a clickable link into this PDF document, first of all, type any text here. Click on insert and select text box to insert a text for adding clickable links. You can add your website to make clickable, or you can add any text here like click here, or any text you can add here and make it as clickable. So now I'll type here now I will make this click here text as a clickable. To convert this text into clickable link, click the text, select the text and go to insert again, and you can see here a hyperlink option. So click here. Now click the URL. Now here you type the website link that you want to redirect. So after adding a URL links into this box, click OK. Now you can see here after adding website link into this text, the text has become blue color. So now save the document by clicking on file and click here export as PDF and click export. Now type here name of your file. So now this will create a new PDF file with clickable website link. So now let's open the saved or newly created PDF file. So here is my newly created PDF file with the clickable website link. So let's open it. So you can see here, when I bring my mouse on this text, you can see here hand icon sends into hand. So when I click on this text, it will redirect into the website that I have linked into the respective text. So this is how you can add website link or hyperlinks to any PDF document. So try it out yourself, and I hope you'll find this video useful. And if you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.